Hello. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to easily change Java JDK version in Android Studio easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open Android Studio onto your device and open the project when you want to change the Java JDK version. So as you can see, I'm currently onto a project already, and to change that, just head here onto the upper part, click onto this icon, and click on Settings. So once you're in here on settings, find this one, the build execution and deployment. So click onto this drop down, and then right after, click on build tools and click on Gradle. So it will open Gradle in here. So as you can see, this is our current Gradle GDK. And for us to be able to change this, click onto this drop down and choose onto the available one onto your end. So you could download yours onto your end or add one. So let's choose this, and to change this and to change that, or to apply the changes, simply click on apply. So as you can see, that should be applied onto your end. Just click onto OK. And if you've noticed here, there is now a sync now option. So since we made some changes, you'll just have to sync that. And then you could also try to click onto main menu in here. And then right after, invalidate cache in here so that you could go ahead and restart your project. And that is how easy you could change Java JDK version in Android Studio. If you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.